3 reasons why a hot tub at home is a practical investment. Have you always wanted to have a hot tub in the backyard or on the deck? If you're considering your options with ownership, here are a few things to consider. Easy, convenient joint health. A hot tub at home makes protecting joint health easier than ever. Heat, massage, and buoyancy mean you can restore, regenerate, and rejuvenate joints. The space to foster relationships. A hot tub at home creates the environment for hassle-free fun for the whole family. Forget about dinner and a movie. A hot tub at home is the space you need to stay connected and close to the ones you love. A fantastic home improvement and complement. As a homeowner, you probably know better than most the importance of maintaining the value in your property. Plus, you'll have access to your very own fantastic hot tub getaway at home. So go ahead, take a soak. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a hot tub to help improve their overall health and well-being, Bachman's is providing free test soaks at their Madison showroom. We do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute soak call us ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more about the benefits of owning a hot tub, pick up a copy of this free Hot Tub Buyer's Guide, 5 Easy Steps for First-Time Buyers. Just give us a call at 608-222-7727 or go to www.bachmans.com.